welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming. And in this video lecture, let's go ahead and create a simple function that will help us to generate the least common multiple, LCM. All right, let's go ahead and start off immediately by initializing variable of let's say LCM, and then passing the value of x and y. Now let's go ahead and say that z is equal to x multiply y, and then we go ahead and use a while loop and say yx is not equal to 0, and y is not equal to 0. Okay, so yx is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. Go ahead and say if x is greater than y. So if x is greater than y, we go ahead and say x modulus y. So divide that to get a remainder. Else we go ahead and say that b modulus y modulus x. Alright, so this is not just modulus, it's a modulus equal y and modulus equal x. Alright, now let's go ahead and return this. So go ahead and return z of x plus y. Alright, z of x plus y. Then let's say that a is equal to, let's go ahead and collect the input from the user. Let's go ahead and say a is equal to int, because it will be integer variables, and go ahead and say insert value of a. Alright, so insert value of a, and we go ahead and do that for b. Let's get the second one and let b be equal to int, and go ahead and insert and ask user to insert value of b. Alright, now let's go ahead and print out the results. Go ahead and say print, and let's say the LCM equal to, go ahead and put a comma and call LCM, and put in the value of a and b. Alright, now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Run this code, and inside the value of a 13, inside the value of b 9, and the least common multiple is 117. Run the code again, let's check it out. Inside the value of a 14, the value of y, value of b 34, and the LCM is equal to 238. Let's try that one more time and say 7 and 8, and the least common multiple is 58. Alright, so the code is ready before you, the entire code. Go ahead and put that down on your own system, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.